They're back my big ficus that's been growing pretty well for the last couple of years. It was originally 3 small trees, but they've all fused into this one decent sized one, and all the aerial roots make it look really cool. It has really come a long way, but the big issue is that it's in this small pot, but I'll talk about that in a bit. Anyway, here in March I pruned it back. Well, I basically pruned a lot of the foliage from the top to try and thin things out and allow more light in and just try and balance things out. I didn't film that, but you can see how it looks a lot lighter on the top. There's still a lot going on here, so it wasn't too drastic. But as I said, the pot is too small, so you'll see pretty much nothing happens in the rest of this video. I did root prune it quite hard last year, but ficus are quick to regrow their roots, and this pot is basically filled up again. The roots are actually starting to come out the bottom, but I didn't repot it. I probably should have, but my issue is that I have no space, so I couldn't use a bigger pot. But thinking about it now, I should have just repotted it anyway and kept it in this pot again, but I didn't, so who knows what I was thinking. But either way, there's not much growth from this tree this year, and that'll be down to lack of space in the pot. The grow tent is pretty packed and I keep saying I need to make space, which really means removing a few trees, but I just haven't yet. So that's not good, and the fact there is not much growth from this tree this year means it's kind of suffering. This tree has all the conditions to grow like crazy, so really I just need to find some space in the grow tent in the next few weeks and then get it into a bigger pot. I'm sure it will explode with growth again. You can see here at the end of summer it doesn't look that much different. Still seems healthy, but it should have been really growing like crazy by now. Normally I have to prune it back a few times, but it's barely changed all season. And you can see in the next few clips it can't really stand up straight anymore, and that is because there's a huge clump of roots growing out the bottom of the pot. So it's certainly going to need a repot this spring. Even if I can't get a bigger pot, I still need to repot it for sure. And of course this is going to be slowing down here for winter. I don't really expect any growth now, but it happens sometimes. Not every year is going to be crazy amounts of growth. But I do think I am to blame for this one's lack of vigour, but it'll be alright. It's nearly repotting season again. And here we are now, so not a lot of change, but I think that will change in the next few months. Thanks for watching, see you next time.